Welcome along to another ETF Spotlight review. Today we will be checking out VIF, which is the Vanguard International Fixed Interest Index ETF. This one's hedged. So VIF might be suitable for investors with a medium-term investment horizon seeking a steady, reliable income stream. Hang around, this will be a short and sweet video just to get you guys up to date with what's happening in the fixed interest world. Well, hello there, Investorholics. This is Scott. KrackTheSky Value Investing will be giving you up-to-date investing news and content so you can navigate the markets wherever you are. My mission is to give you the knowledge and confidence to take control of your own personal finances, expand your investment horizons, and crack your financial sky. So VIF seeks to track the returns of the Bloomberg Barclays Global Treasury scaled index hedged into Australian dollars before considering your fees and expenses. The ETF provides low-cost exposure to high-quality income-generating securities issued by governments from around the world. The ETF invests in fixed income securities that generally range in credit quality from BBB to AAA, as rated by Standard & Poor's or one of the equivalent rating agencies. The ETF is hedged in Australian dollars, so the value of the ETF is relatively unaffected by currency fluctuations. Why are we bothering? First up there, competitive long-term performance. So Vanguard's investment approach provides investors with an efficient way to capture long-term market performance. You get a bit of diversification for your income stream. The fund invests in a diversified portfolio of securities, which means the fund is less exposed to performance and fluctuations of any individual security. Pretty much the main idea why we buy ETFs. Low cost investing. The fund has low ongoing fees as Vanguard tries to minimize the cost of managing and operating the fund. So all pretty straightforward, I think. Nothing out of the ordinary. Let's dive on into a little bit more detail. Okay, we've got a net asset value of $50.66, trading just above that at $50.72. Market capitalization of $516 million. We have a management cost which is pretty low, 0.2%. You get a quarterly dividend, which is January, April, July, October. Dividend yield roughly 3.57%. A little difficult to calculate on that one, but I think that's roughly what it is. So this ETF could be used by an investor that is seeking exposure to a diversified portfolio of international fixed interest securities. So just a different way to generate some income. This ETF should be relatively unaffected by currency movements over time, such as seen in 2008 and 2011. And quite possibly what we're seeing now, although interest rates are so low, that's really going to affect your yield. But yeah, have a closer look at the I suppose how long the majority of these bonds and fixed interest notes actually run for, because that'll give you a bit of an idea of how long the performance is going to last for the underlying investments. So after a recent market crash, the price possibly represents some decent value. If you're looking at building a larger fixed interest portion of your portfolio, this might be a good opportunity to start building that portfolio right now, or building that position, I should say. Yeah, so if you're an investor building a balanced portfolio, this ETF could be very useful as a cornerstone investment. So what you're looking for is something that's pretty solid and it's going to generate that income that you can count on. That's pretty nice. You get a dividend 4 times a year, so you can sort of start to count on that type of income. Also have a look at GOV, VEIF, and also have a look at VBND as alternatives as part of your research. So right now, this gives you a bit of an idea of the top 10 issuers. So you're looking at USA, Japan, United Kingdom, France, Italy, Germany, Spain, Korea, Belgium, Australia, and obviously they make up almost 90% of the net assets held within the ETF, exchange traded fund. You're not looking for great capital appreciation in these type of products. You can have a look at the performance since inception. You're only looking at 4.57% when I pull this out anyway at the end of May. So bear that in mind. This is more of an income type of play, so you're not looking at great capital appreciation, but looking to build income streams, then this might be something that's worth a closer look at. So as I always say, make sure that we're looking a little bit deeper into these products before we make a purchase to understand what we're buying. And as the old saying goes, knowing what's under the hood, I suppose, is a good way of thinking about it. Anyway, hopefully this was a good little roundup of the ETF fixed interest type product. Let me know what you think in the comments. Are you interested in learning more about personal finance and investing in the markets? If you are, then smash the like here on the left hand side and caress the subscribe button on the right hand side. It's KrackTheSky Value Investing. We'll be giving you up-to-date investing news and content so you can navigate the markets wherever you are. Expand your investment horizon and crack your financial sky. Thanks guys. See you later.